Hello! Today I'll be making bell pepper pesto with pistachio and fresh basil. It's super easy to make. And these are the ingredients you'll need. Basil, pistachio, and bell peppers that I baked in the oven. And some garlic, olive oil, Parmesan Reggiano, a little bit of lemon juice we're gonna use, and mixed spices like salt, oregano, and parsley. Stay tuned. Hello, this is my bell pepper pesto with pistachio and fresh basil, and it takes 10 minutes to make, and you blend it all together, and it can be used for bread spread or with pasta, anything really, or appetizers. I hope you give it a try. Bon appetit!